Good morning, student. In last video, you know about difference of two type of iron ore, that is hematite and magnetite. Under this video, you will learn about distribution of iron ore. Student, you know your country India is rich in deposition of iron ore, both hematite and magnetite. Iron is backbone of industrialization. So your country have ability to grow as a number one industrial country of the world. Have ability. First of all, come on and know about distribution of iron ore. Student, your country India have four major iron ore belt. That is, first Jharkhand Orissa belt, second Durg Bastar Chandrapur belt, third Bellary Chitradurg Chikmagalur Tumkur belt, and fourth Maharashtra Goa belt. First Jharkhand Orissa belt. Student, in Jharkhand, Noamundi, Goa, Jamda are main mines of iron ore. But in Jharkhand, in Orissa, Kendujhar and Mayurbhanj are main mines of iron ore. Under this, generally Baba Budan Hill, all these mines are mined. Student, this is better hematite type iron ore belt. Once again, Jharkhand Orissa belt, Orissa Jharkhand belt. Under this, in Orissa, Kendujhar and Mayurbhanj, and in Jharkhand, Bellary, in Jharkhand, Noamundi, Goa and Jamda are famous mines of iron ore. Both Goa, Jamda, Noamundi are located in Sirbhum district. Located in Sirbhum and Lohardaga, two districts. Come on. Second, that is Durg Bastar Chandrapur belt. Under this belt, Durg, Bastar, Chandrapur and Bela Dila are famous mines of iron ore. Student, Durg, Bastar, Chandrapur and Bela Dila. Bela Dila. Student, you know? The name of this mines is Bela Dila, named by the figure of hills. यहाँ पहाड़ का जो संरचना है ना, वो जस्ट लाइक बैल के हम्प कुबा की तरह का है. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड बेला डीला. डीला मीन्स हम्प. दैट इज पहाड़िया लैंग्वेज of Chhattisgarh, also called Chhattisgarhi language. Bela Dila. Dila means hump of ox. So Dor, Bastar, Chandrapur and Beladila are famous mines of iron under this belt. Third, this belt is Dor, Bastar, Chandrapur belt is located in Chhattisgarh and some part of Maharashtra. Student, third iron ore belt is Bellary, Chitradurg, Chikmagalur, Tumkur belt. Bellary, Chitradurg, Chikmagalur, Tumkur belt. Under this, Bellary, Chitradurg, Chikmagalur, Tumkur and Kudremukh are main iron ore mines. Kudremukh as well as Beladila, this is also named on the shape of hill. In Kudremukh, the shape of hill is just like mouth of horse. And in Kannada language, horse is called Kudre. Kudre. Kudre nahi, Kudre. So, on the shape of Kudre, mouth, घोड़ा के मुंह की आकृति के कारण, the name of this mines is Kudremukh mines. They are totally exported quality. The range of hills comprise of 14 deposit of super high grade hematite iron ore. It has the best physical property needs of steel making. Iron ore from these mines is exported to Japan and South Korea via Visakhapatnam port. Via Visakhapatnam port. Visakhapatnam located in Andhra Pradesh. The next Durg, Bastar, Chandrapur belt iron is exported by Visakhapatnam port, but Bellary, Chitradurg, Chikmagalur, Tumkur and Kudremukh mines mined iron ore exported by New Mangalore port. New Mangalore port. This is located in Karnataka. The Kudremukh mines located in Western Ghat of Karnataka are 100% export unit. Kudremukh deposits are known to the one of the largest in the world. World largest deposit in one place in Kudremukh, but that is totally exported to Japan by New Mangalore port in the form of करदम. यहाँ से करदम बनाकर टोटल न्यू मंगलोर पोर्ट को भेज दिया जाता है और वहाँ से वह टोटल एक्सपोर्ट होता है. नेक्स्ट महाराष्ट्र गोवा बेल्ट. महाराष्ट्र गोवा बेल्ट अंडर दिस रत्नागिरी of Maharashtra and Marmagaon of Goa are famous mines. Ratnagiri in Maharashtra and Marmagaon of Goa are main iron ore mines. Student, this is also export quality and exported by Marmagao port of Goa. Student, iron ore mainly exported from your country, because iron and steel industry is not developed as well as China, Japan and other developed country. हमारे देश में अभी आयरन और स्टील का उतना विकास नहीं हुआ है जितना होना चाहिए। हमारे धरती की क्षमता तो बहुत ज़्यादा है, बहुत ज़्यादा यहाँ मिनरल हैं, लेकिन इनमें से आधे से अधिक एक्सपोर्ट कर दिए जाते हैं। यदि इस सारे हमारे यहाँ स्टील के फॉर्म में और मशीनरी के फॉर्म में आने लगे ना, तो आज जो ये लेबर प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है हमारे कंट्री के पास, ये लेबर प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगा, है ना। हम लोग नेक्स्ट पढ़ेंगे मैग्नीज। कम ऑन स्टूडेंट, लुक हियर इन झारखंड, दिस इज गुआ बेल्ट, नॉट गोवा, दिस इज गुआ एंड दिस इज मयूरभंज and this is Kendujhar. Mayurbhanj and Kendujhar. Come on. And next, Bellary, Chitradurg, Chikmagalur, Durg, Bastar, Chandrapur belt. Come on. And Durg, Bastar, Chandrapur belt. This is Durg. This is Chandrapur. Chandrapur in Maharashtra. This is Beladila, Durg, Bastar, Chandrapur and Beladila. Next, Bellary, Chitradurg, Chikmagalur, Tumkur belt. Look here. Bellary, Chitradurg, Chikmagalur, Tumkur and कुद्रेमुख. बेल्लारी, चित्रदुर्ग, चिकमंगलूर, तुमकुर, कुद्रेमुख. नेक्स्ट, दिस इज झारखंड ओडिशा बेल्ट, दिस इज दुर्ग, बस्तर, चंद्रपुर बेल्ट एंड दिस इज बेल्लारी, चित्रदुर्ग, चिकमंगलूर, तुमकुर बेल्ट. दिस इज रत्नागिरी in Maharashtra and this is Marmagao in Goa. This is Ratnagiri in Maharashtra and Marmagao in Goa. So this is called Maharashtra Goa belt. Your next mineral is manganese. So first of all, you know what is the use of manganese. What is the use of manganese? Student, you know, this is called ferrous mineral because they are generally used in iron, especially for making 1 ton steel. The requirement of manganese is 10 kg. The requirement of manganese is 10 kg. Manganese is mainly used in the manufacturing of steel and ferromanganese alloy. Ferromanganese alloy means ferrous and manganese alloy. Nearly by 10 kg of manganese is required to making 1 ton of steel. It is also used in manufacturing bleaching powder. Bleaching powder बनाने में भी इसका इस्तेमाल होता है. Insecticides, खरपतवार नाशक बनाने के काम में आता है. एंड पेंट बनाने के काम में आता है. Student, the main mines of manganese are look here in my केंदुझर, नियर केंदुझर ओडिशा, नियर केंदुझर ओडिशा. This is the largest deposit of manganese in your country. Next, बालाघाट in Madhya Pradesh, बालाघाट in Madhya Pradesh, नागपुर in Maharashtra, नागपुर in Maharashtra, Bhandara in Maharashtra, and Shimoga in Karnataka. Shimoga in Karnataka are main mines of manganese. Another famous mines also in Goa near Marmagaon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Once again, this is Kendujhar, Kendujhar. This is Balaghat, Madhya Pradesh. This is Nagpur and this is Bhandara, both in Maharashtra. This is Maharashtra. Look here. This is Shimoga, located in Karnataka, and this is Marmagaon, located in Goa, are famous manganese mines. Student, this is your ferrous mineral distribution. But in next video, you will learn about non-ferrous mineral. So, under this, ferrous mineral topic is completed. Thank you. And student, one another information, the school office is open, as well as admission procedure also started. स्कूल का ऑफिस खुल गया है और एडमिशन का भी प्रोसीड्योर जारी है. इसलिए अगर आपके घर से या पड़ोस से कोई बच्चा एडमिशन लेना चाहता है तो आप उन्हें भेज सकते हैं. इधर फी भी जमा करना है. कई बच्चे एक प्रश्न पूछ रहे थे कि अभी जो एग्जामिनेशन का नोटिस आया है उसमें कौन कौन से चैप्टर से पूछा जाएगा. इसमें फर्स्ट चैप्टर रिसोर्सेज एंड फिफ्थ चैप्टर एग्रीकल्चर, ये दो टॉपिक से ही फोर्थ चैप्टर एग्रीकल्चर, ये दो चैप्टर से ही पूछा जाएगा. एग्रीकल्चर एंड रिसोर्स, ये दो चैप्टर से आपको क्वेश्चन आएंगे. थैंक यू, वेल डन.